Everyone is fighting for traditional 9-to-5 office jobs, but some people are quietly making $3, $4, even $500 a day using AI tools without knowing a single line of code. I'm serious. While your friends are drowning in student debt and spending 8 hours a day in a cubicle praying for a 3% raise, there are people out there earning more than senior developers just by knowing which buttons to push. They started with zero experience. They didn't go to tech school. And they definitely aren't trading their time for pennies. This isn't just a side hustle. This is a life-changing career shift. Most people think making money with AI is too complicated. They think you need to be a computer genius or have a master's degree in machine learning to get a piece of the pie. That's a lie. Today, I'm breaking down 3 AI tools that are paying out right now, in 2026. I'm talking about tools that do 90% of the work for you. We aren't talking about passive income, where you do nothing. We are talking about high-leverage work where you set up the system, and the system pays you. So, forget everything you've been told about needing a 4-year degree to be successful in tech. The path to wealth today runs through efficiency. It runs through specific, high-demand skills that robots can help you master in an afternoon. First up is a job that is literally about selling shovels during a gold rush. You've heard the saying, during the gold rush, the people who made the most money weren't the ones digging in the dirt, it was the ones selling the picks and shovels. In 2026, AI is the gold rush, and companies like Synthesia and Jasper are the shovels. I'm talking about AI affiliate marketing. Now, before you scroll away thinking I hate sales, listen to me. This isn't door-to-door selling. This is connecting businesses with the tools they're already desperate for. Take Synthesia. It creates AI avatars for videos. Businesses are using this for training, for marketing, for everything. It saves them thousands on camera crews. When you sign up for their partner program, you aren't just getting paid once. The real money, the life-changing money, comes from recurring commissions. Here is how it works. You create content, tutorials, reviews, comparisons, showing business owners how Synthesia saves them money. They click your link, they subscribe, you get paid, and you keep getting paid every single month they stay subscribed. Let me repeat that, every single month. Why is this powerful? Because you do the work once. You make the video or write the guide once, but the check comes in every month. Jasper is another one. It writes copy for businesses. Is a business owner going to stop using the tool that writes their emails and ads for them? No. Once they are hooked, that commission check is yours for the long haul. So how much money are we talking about? Some of these programs pay up to 30% recurring commission. If you get 100 businesses signed up, which is nothing in the grand scheme of the internet, and they are paying $100 a month, you are looking at $3,000 a month in passive cash flow. That is a full-time salary for a lot of people, just for making introductions. And the best part? These platforms have low payout thresholds. Once you get the volume rolling, you can be hitting those payout limits daily. Next up, we have a service that is exploding right now because attention spans are shorter than ever. Is it hot outside? You need AC. Is it cold outside? You need heat. Is a business trying to survive in 2026? They need short-form video, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. This is where the attention is. But here is the problem. Business owners and long-form podcasters hate editing. They have hour-long interviews, Zoom calls, and webinars sitting on a hard drive collecting dust. They are sitting on a gold mine, and they don't even know it. This is where you come in with a tool called Opus Clip. I'm talking about a tool that takes a long video, analyzes it with AI, finds the viral moments, and automatically chops it up into vertical clips with captions, emojis, and face tracking. It does in minutes what used to take a human editor 5 hours. Here is the play. You go to YouTubers, podcasters, or local businesses who have long videos, but no shorts. You tell them, I will take your content and give you 10 viral-ready clips for $100. They send you the link. You feed it into Opus Clip. The AI does the heavy lifting. You polish it up, send it back, and collect the cash. Why would they pay you? Because you are saving them time. A professional video editor charges $50 to $100 an hour. You are offering them a bulk package that costs you pennies in software fees and minutes in time. The demand for this is insane. You can list this service on Fiverr, Upwork, or just DM creators directly. If you land 3 clients a day, that's $300 a day. Let me repeat that. $300 a day. And you didn't have to learn Premiere Pro or Final Cut. You just had to know that this tool exists and how to use it. You are essentially flipping digital real estate, taking raw land, the long video, and subdividing it into valuable lots, the shorts. Want to follow up on exactly how to pitch these clients so they say yes immediately? Comment "video money" below. If I see enough comments, I'll make it happen. Number 3 is a little different. This is for those of you who want to control your own destiny on freelance platforms. The biggest complaint clients have on sites like Upwork or Fiverr is speed. They want it done yesterday. If you are a traditional graphic designer, a logo might take you 3 days. You have to sketch, vectorize, refine. It's slow, but what if you could deliver professional quality work in 30 minutes? I'm talking about using AI-powered design tools like Canva and Kittl. Kittl is a beast. It has AI text-to-vector, AI image generation, and thousands of templates that look like high-end vintage design. You can type in a prompt, and it generates a complex layered design that looks like it took a week to make. You can offer services like same-day logo design, instant t-shirt design, or 24-hour social media branding. Because you are using AI, your turnaround time is basically instant. You can charge a premium for speed. While the other designers are telling the client, wait 3 days, you are saying, I'll have it to you by lunch. Who do you think gets the job? And don't forget the copy. You combine this with ChatGPT. The client needs a flyer. You use ChatGPT to write the catchy headline and the body text. You use Kittl to design the visual. Boom. Done. You are becoming a full-service agency of one. The real money here is volume. Traditional freelancers cap out because they run out of hours in the day. You don't have that problem. You can take on 10, 20 orders a day because the AI is doing the heavy lifting. If you charge $50 per design and you do 4 a day, which is easy work with these tools, that is $200 daily. That is $6,000 a month. From home, in your pajamas. So, here is the reality. You can keep complaining that robots are taking jobs. You can keep scrolling through news feeds worrying about the economy. Or you can position yourself to profit from it. Don't let anyone tell you what you can or can't achieve. The path to wealth is different for everyone. For millions, it doesn't run through a university or a corporate ladder. It runs through adaptation. It runs through learning the tools that shape the future. The tools are there. The money is there. The only question is, are you going to grab it? If you want more real money strategies that actually work, hit that like button and subscribe right now. You won't want to miss what's next. I'm Zumar. Go get paid.